So hello. So now today I'm gonna show you a hair care which I usually follow every Saturday or Sunday whenever I get time. Okay, so y'all can also follow the same and you can do the hair spa with very affordable products at home. Approx 30 rupees. It's only a 30 rupees ka like all which I prefer to do at home only. So I'll show you how to do and what to do. Okay. So before that, what you have to do, as you can see, my hairs are very frizzy. Okay. So because I have not washed my hair from past 2 days. Okay. So now first, before applying anything on your hair, what you have to do is, guys, first you have to just comb your hairs. Just do the partition and just comb your hairs very well. Okay, so I have already partitioned it and now I'm just combing. So guys, as you all can see, I have combed my hair very well. Okay, so basically if you can see, no, my hair are bit silky only. Now why the reason is because I have done hair rebonding like 3 years prior. Okay, so but now the result are no more left, so I have to take care of my hairs myself only. Okay, so now the first step which we have to do for this hair spa at home, so the first step is you have to massage your hair, for which I am gonna create a cream base. I'll show you how to create that. The first product which I am gonna take is the aloe vera gel. So now everyone in the world knows like how aloe vera is and like what are the benefits of the same, right? The first important thing is it strengthens your hair and also it protects your hair from any kind of UV damages which happen when we usually go to school, colleges and anything, right? Apart from which, if you have a greasy hair, it also helps to control those greasy hairs and also it's very good for your hair scalp. So the first product is this from Patanjali. So basically what I have done is I have taken a ball. I am gonna take this product like 2 tablespoons, you can see. Now next what I am gonna add to it is the Parachute ka hair oil. It's only for rupees 10, guys. So as I have to make a pack for rupees 30, so I'm using this one. So use a good amount of Parachute oil. Now guys, why we use Parachute oil? Because as everyone know that it promotes the hair growth from within and also like it is very beneficial. It's kind of a protein which you give to your hair so that your hair should be strong and there should not be any kind of hair fall, right? So everyone knows the benefits, so I'm not gonna stretch it anymore. Now the next is almond oil. I have this almond oil which I am gonna use very bit, 2 to 3 drops probably, and then I am gonna mix this well. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I have mixed this product with the help of a spoon only. Okay. Now what you have to do here is you just have to apply it. As you can see, I have partitioned my hair here. So you have to take it on your hand, rub it like this and apply it all over your hairs. So as you can see, I am applying it and try to massage it in your scalp. Okay, because putting it in your scalp is very important to promote the hair growth and also to give a textured look to your hair. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I have already applied this hair mask, not hair mask basically, it's a type of hair cream which we apply. Okay, so you have to apply this and wait for around half an hour. Okay, we'll meet after half an hour. So guys, approximately half an hour is done. So now the next step is steaming. Okay, you have to take a steam. So why we take steam? So basically it will take steam for your hairs. So it's basically it promotes the hair blood circulation. Okay, basically it promotes blood circulation. So what will happen is whatever damage is there, whatever dryness, frizziness which you have in your hairs, it will help to reduce that. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take a clean towel. So I'm taking this towel. So what you have to do, if you are using a towel, then you have to take this middle portion. Don't squeeze your full towel into water. Just take this middle part, put it into water, okay, and then squeeze it. So the water should not be like too hot or too cold. It should be like medium type, wherein we can put and we can squeeze also, right? So it should be that portion, so that you have to judge, right, how we will use that. So what I will do is I'll just dip this and put on my hairs and show you guys, okay? So guys, as you all can see, I have applied this towel on top of my head. Now basically you have to wait for approx 10 to 15 minutes and repeat this process twice. So what will happen is the heat will stimulate into your head. So guys, I have done with my hair steaming. Okay, so now I'm feeling very relaxed. Okay, so now the next step is the hair mask. Okay, so for mask basically I am gonna use this mehendi from Nupur. So I know you all know this Nupur mehendi. It's a very famous mehendi which is there. So now what this Nupur mehendi will do? So first of all, it does not contain any kind of color. It's very natural. It's a very herbal kind of a pack which will give you a very silky and smoothie finish, and also it will help to promote your hair growth and giving you a very healthy kind of a look for your hairs. Okay. Now next thing which I am going to use for my pack is this egg. Okay. So what you have to do is you only have to take egg white. Okay. And why egg white? Because everyone knows, which if we use this egg white now, what will happen is it will give you an instant kind of a shine to your hair and very smooth. I will show you the result. You will be shocked. Okay, so these are the two things which are the main key ingredient for this mask basically. And the last but not the least, every time whenever we use any pack, so you have to use oil into it. So now one by one I will just show you the mixing thing. Okay. So just take a bowl. I'm just cutting it. I have kept it inside. So how much quantity you should use? So this is basically we get in 5 rupees as well. Okay, and you have to just take according to your hair length. So I have taken this much because my hair have good length. Okay, so I want to move it here. Now next thing which I am gonna add to is the egg white. So now don't mess here, just give it a, with the help of a spoon only I have break this. Now only what you have to do is you have to put egg white only here. Okay, don't put the yellow wala part. I am just putting this egg white. Okay, now what we have to do is the next thing which I told you, use a oil to it. So I am adding this parachute ko oil. Okay, and with the help of spoon I am just mixing this very well. So guys, I have mixed this pack very well and I have mixed my hands, so don't mind because I like applying with my hands only. So I am just applying it wherever it is needed. Okay, so it will mess your clothes, so make sure you use any cloth which you don't want anything. Okay, so I'll just apply it. So guys, as you all can see, I have applied this on my hair and now I have to wait for 45 minutes approx. Okay, so I'll see you after 45 minutes. So guys, it's been approximately 45 minutes and more. So now what I will do is I will just quickly wash off my hair and see you. So guys, as you can see, I have washed my hair. So now what I am gonna do is I will just dry my hair with the help of a dryer and then I'll show you the results. Okay? So guys, I have washed my hair and I have dried out my hair. Now you all can see the result. Guys, I have not used any kind of straightening for the same. I have naturally dried my hairs and y'all can see the results, guys, how much my hairs are shining, right? So y'all can also try this pack and let me know in the comment section below how was the pack working. Okay, and the next important thing for such kind of videos, no, like I shoot makeup videos, hair care videos and skincare videos, right? So if you wanted to know anything related to hair care, skincare, you can comment me below so that accordingly I can make the videos for y'all. Okay, so if the video was helpful for you, so please like to this video and also subscribe to my channel for exciting videos further, guys. Bye bye.